Welcome to Portuguese for Nomads, Episode 12. I'm Sofia Mendez with Tiago Silva. Today, you'll learn useful Portuguese for a Lavanderia visit, how to drop laundry, ask about pickup time, and even make a coffee invite, while improving your habits and connections as a nomad in Portugal and Brazil. Let's get started. Picture this. Your suitcase is low on clean shirts. You've got a meeting later, and there's a lavanderia just 2 blocks away. That 30-minute chore could give you fresh clothes, a tiny routine anchor, and a new local contact.
Exactly. Today we promised 7 simple lines, a live role play, and habit tips you can use right away. And to make it realistic, I'll voice our lavanderia owner and curious neighbor during the role play. Small voices, same energy.
Why the Lavanderia? Because errands are micro-habit gold. You go regularly, the social pressure is low, and everyone understands short interactions. For a nomad, this builds grooming routines. Clean shirts equals better first impressions, boosts energy by avoiding the stress of dirty clothes, and opens easy conversation that can lead to housing tips or workout buddies.
Plus, learning lines tied to actions helps memory. When you drop clothes, you'll rehearse the phrase and the movement. It sticks. Okay, time to teach the 7 lines. Slow pronunciation, a clear English translation, and a quick tip for each.
Phrase 1. Dropping off laundry. Quero deixar a roupa. Slow. Quero deixar a roupa. Translation. I'd like to drop off clothes. Tip. Say it with a smile and hand over the bag. The owner will immediately give you pickup time or instructions.
Phrase 2. Asking pickup time. Quando fica pronta? Slow. Quando fica pronta? Translation. When will it be ready? Tip. Use this to plan your day. Some places do same day, others say amanhã, tomorrow.
Phrase 3. Requesting a specific detergent or hypoallergenic wash. Pode usar sabão neutro? Slow. Pode usar sabão neutro. Translation. Can you use neutral detergent? Tip. Great if you react to scents or want gentler washing. Say this confidently and they'll usually note it down.
Phrase 4. Pointing out a stain. Tem pequeño nódoa aqui. Slow. Tem pequeño nódoa aqui. Translation. There's a small stain here. Tip. Touch the area and be specific. Owners appreciate the heads up.
Phrase 5. Paying upon drop-off or pickup. Quanto custa? Posso pagar com cartão? Slow. Quanto custa? Posso pagar com cartão? Translation. How much does it cost? Can I pay by card? Tip. Always ask payment method early. Saves time and avoids awkwardness later.
Phrase 6. A small compliment to open friendly talk. Espaço é muito agradável. Slow. O espaço é muito agradável. Translation. The place is very pleasant. Tip. A genuine compliment often opens a short chat and builds rapport.
Phrase 7. Inviting someone for coffee after pickup. Quer tomar café comigo después? Slow. Quer tomar café comigo después? Translation. Would you like to have a coffee with me afterwards? Tip. Use this after a friendly exchange. It's low pressure and a clear social step.
Quick review. Drop off, pickup time, detergent, stain, payment, compliment, invite. Those 7 lines cover most lavanderia needs and give you options to start a conversation beyond just logistics. Now, let's show how it plays out in a 90-second real-life exchange.
I'll be the nomad dropping laundry. Tiago, you be the owner first. I walk in with a bag. Bom dia, quero deixar a roupa.
Bon dia. Claro. When do you need it? Tomorrow or today in the afternoon?
This afternoon, please. Can you use neutral detergent?
Yes, no problem. You can pick up at 6. Costs €8. Pay by card?
I can pay by card. Thank you. The place is very pleasant.
E você vem sempre? Tem café bom aqui perto.
Would you like to have a coffee with me afterwards? And that's how a simple chore becomes a social invite. 90 seconds to a potential weekly meetup.
Now, the habit and confidence tie-in. Pick one convenient time, like every Wednesday afternoon. Make the Lavanderia run part of your routine. Consistency improves your appearance, clean clothes, your energy, less stress, and your social network, regular small talks. Repeat the 7 lines and your confidence grows fast.
Immediate practice step. A 7-day micro-challenge. Day 1, use 2 phrases on your next Lavanderia visit. Log who you spoke to and which lines you used. Days 2 to 7, repeat twice during the week. Small tracking builds momentum and makes the practice automatic.
If a phrase feels hard, break it down. Say the slow pronunciation to yourself before walking in. Smile, hand over the bag, and use the phrase. The action plus words lock the memory. And remember my catchphrase, daily practice builds real confidence.
Ready for more? We have a short follow-up workbook and a mini course that expands these laundromat lines into apartment, market, and cafe interactions. The workbook has flashcards, exact pronunciations, and a tracker for your 7-day challenge.
Join us there to practice with short daily drills and voice recordings. Master the language, master your nomad life, and make the Lavanderia your language gym.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, and connect deeper. Learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, connect deeper.